Hi there guys, in this video we're going to talk about you have requested too many SMS codes Facebook. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you, but don't worry about it. We are here to help you to get up and fix this problem. The first thing what you need to do, you need to go up to your browser and on the sideline you need to type for speed test. When you get up to the speed test, go to speed test by Okla because this is the most secure section on the internet connectional setup. Now as you can see here we have that go option. Check it out and you need to wait to get up your speedness on your network. Now as you can see it's reaching out 28 in pace sections, which here it will set up into 42, 41, yeah, 41.55 Zegrinel ping sessions. Now that means that I have a good internet connection. Also I can go and test it again if I need it. If I don't, I need just to get off. And now what I need to do, I need just to scroll up to get up and to get up with my mobile data, because in some point the mobile data is much more faster than the Wi-Fi. Go and turn off your Wi-Fi and take a look with your mobile data, because as I said before, it will brings you more poverty on your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.